Hi, I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is stop talking and start listening. Now that's actually our motto, because the first thing we want to embed with anybody doing sales is it's not about you talking. It's not about the gift of the gab. Influencing others isn't about how you hoodwink them into it or anything of that type of thinking at all. What you need to be doing is listening to your client. And the way to listen to them is the only talking that you should be doing is asking really intelligent questions which help you understand that client, help you understand their needs, their wants, their desires, how they operate, what their belief system is, what their value level are, and on we can go. We teach this in our courses all about understanding the client. And then of course you check you've understood, because you may have misunderstood, and then you align your solution perfectly with them. So you really have got to understand, as a salesperson, you've got to stop talking and start listening. And I said the ratio always needs to be about 90% of the time that your client does the talking, and less than 10 you. And mainly that is you asking questions and then providing the simple solution which totally aligns with what they want. I look forward to hearing from you. If you want to hear more about our courses, you want to have top tips on all aspects of sales, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Stop talking, start listening. I look forward to hearing from you soon.